What if all that time you spend on your phone could actually make you money? It's not a dream. You have a money-making machine right in your pocket. Stick around for the next 90 seconds to find out how. Feeling the pinch in your wallet? You don't need a computer or a special degree to start earning. Today, we're unlocking 3 proven ways to make real money using only your smartphone. First up, microtasks and paid surveys. Companies are desperate for your opinion and will pay you for it. Apps like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie let you earn cash and gift cards for simple tasks like answering surveys, watching videos, or even playing games. It's perfect for earning in your spare time. Ready for something more active? Dive into the gig economy. With apps like TaskRabbit, you can get paid for local odd jobs, from handyman services to running errands, or use an app like Field Agent to complete small market research tasks in your area, like checking prices or taking photos of displays. Got a creative spark? Sell your phone photos on stock photography sites. If you love social media, focus on growing your following. With enough engagement, you can land brand deals and sponsorships, all managed from your phone. Stop scrolling and start earning. Pick a method that fits your style and download a trusted app today. The power to make money is already in your hands. What are you waiting for?